You know, when there are this many important people gathered in one place, that something very special is about to happen. The Art of the Poppy, Viewpoint's first ever all-school art installation that pays tribute to the sacrifices made by veterans everywhere. The 1,500 plus handcrafted ceramic poppies you see here today, each of them made by a different member of our community of students, teachers, and staff, each of them sacred to the honor or the memory of one or more veterans.
With each piece of clay molded, each petal shaped, each stem attached, we are reminded of the sacrifices made by those who we honor today.
In Flanders fields, the poppies glow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks still bravely singing fly. Scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago, we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high, if ye break faith with us who die. We shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders field.
The city of Calabasas is so honored to have Viewpoint in our community, and this exhibit is so telling of Viewpoint, a school that always puts community service and dedication to others as part of your curriculum.
This growing meadow of poppies here at the Sky Trail is our collective thank you to the veterans who have fought for our freedoms.
Doing a whole entire school-wide project that you're focusing on honoring the veterans who gave so much to our country is really something special.
To our veterans, thank you for your service and your sacrifice. Today we celebrate you and all that you have given.